Okay, so what we got here today is 2011 Nissan Altima. Not starting. Not doing nothing. So, I already have an idea what it is. We'll go have a boo underneath. I'm assuming it's a starter. They're known for it. We'll go lift her up in there and have a boo here in a second. Okay, so we got her up in there. There's gonna be a little. Hold on a second. Okay, here we go. So, as I suspected, wire a little hard to see there. The wire got burnt up. It gets all corroded and stuff. Well, it doesn't really like that. There you go. So that wire is pretty much cut right in half. She's soft. Test to see if there's power there. And then we'll go from there. Yeah, so I just touched that wire. And it just fell right apart. So you can see she's pretty toast. Hard to get up there. It's just flaking. So we'll put a new one on. So now take the battery out, all this tubing and stuff, this here stuff. We'll be able to see the starter down there. It's hiding, but it's down there. I'll show you a bit better once I get all this stuff cleared out. So after carefully making a little bit of space, getting the air filter box and the front plastic off, take this hose, just flip it up over there. Now you can get a better sight of your bolts and stuff. You gotta get a bolt up here. And there's another one down bottom here. Kind of tricky to see right there. Then you got your main power wire and your little signal wire. So we'll take them apart and see, yank this sucker out of here. I'll show you as I go. So before you start ripping around on the power stuff, might want to unhook the battery first. That way there you're not shorting. That way there you're not shorting stuff out. So if you can get from under the car in the wheel well, I'll show you how I just came in. Right from here, you have a really good sight of it. Then you get that 12 mil nut off and the 8 mil nut off. After you get them suckers out, then you can work out your two main starter bolts. I believe they're 17. I'll let you know here in 2 seconds. I stand corrected. 16. See it on there, comes up through, same thing. You want to get it through here, you just use a long extension right here and cracker free. Just like so. Now the other one I'm probably going to do from the top. I'll let you know there in a second. Oh, looks like it's going to be from the top here. Get it in with a wrench. There you go. Hard to kind of get in there. There you go. You can get in there. once you get it loose enough, hopefully it should be easy to get it with your fingers. But simple little 2-bolt starter, they're not bad to do, especially if you have a hoist. Trying to give you some good light here. You see it's already loose. Oh, I'm gonna finish getting that bolt out, and I'll see you in a second here. Okay, look at the size of that sucker. I was in the top all the way through. I ended up using a long ratchet and whole setup like I did down bottom through the side again. Yeah, but to lift it up, I believe I'm gonna cut right up through here. I think she'll come up through here. Should. There it is. And now you can really see that burnt up wire. They melt off every time. No protection, it's just garbage the way it's set up. That's all starters.